You guys ready for Nerdjolt Real-Time Crypto Signal? We are actually in between possibly being very bullish or ready for a big retrace for a double bottom. I don't think a double bottom is going to happen. I think this is going to be a V-shaped recovery where this thing just keeps going up. But do you see where we have the risk? Can you see it? Can you see the risk? I'll show you. This is clear and present danger. If we go up and then come right back down, we've got a head and shoulders. This could happen. Now, having said that, I don't think it will, just judging by the fact that this particular shoulder isn't harmonic. This particular shoulder isn't matching up harmonically with his head. So that means that there's less of a chance for this shoulder to present a bearish downforce. But it could happen. It could happen. This shoulder would have to try really, really hard, or the shoulder might actually even become not a shoulder like this, but a ascending broadening wedge. If this happens, then yeah, we're definitely going to go down to here and double bottom. But with this kind of configuration, there's really not much this right shoulder can do to fix this left shoulder. What do I mean by it's not harmonically harmonic with the head? It's just not. I'm not going to tell you our algorithm and all our secrets and all that. That's just not going to happen here. So, but I mean, it's possible, but not anywhere within this range. So this thing would have to look something like this, or it would have to do something weird. It would have to do something, maybe something like this. If it did something like this, it could almost negate the disharmonic or what's the opposite of harmonic? Anti-harmonic relationship between the left shoulder and the head. But I'm trying really hard to find a bearish case. This thing doesn't look like it'll happen. It might, but it doesn't. If it does, I'm going to tell you only at bitcoin-signals.org. You might want to join if you have big money at stake. Okay, but instead of that, the reason why I think that this is turning out to be more and more bullish is because of this. Ta-da! You see that? This turns out to be a perfect harmonic left shoulder of an inverse head and shoulders. I'll show it to you. Now, to be honest with you, it's a little bit too supermodel thin. It really is, but that's okay, because of the fact that this is super oversold anyway, and this is the reciprocal of this, so it kind of makes up for each other. This is looking more likely, which would give us a target of about right there. But the good thing about having a target of about right there is that it gives us a Yahtzee. What the hell am I talking about? This. Bam. That gives us a perfect descending broadening wedge, and these things tend to break upwards. It's like a falling wedge, except it's a broadening wedge. These things fall this way, and then they just go, once this is touched, the moment this thing touches, it just goes blast off. Now remember, all this can change at any time, so get real-time signals 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all the time at bitcoin-signals.org. Sign up for your membership. This is how you join. It's really simple. It's down to 2 steps now. Let's make you richer.